On Tiananmen Square on June 4, 1989, the Chinese army brutally crushed a month and a half of democratic demands.
When they start to kill, I thought maybe I'll be killed.
The day following the massacre, thousands of demonstrators were arrested, judged, imprisoned. Dozens of them were executed.
Workashi would want him dead.
Some, however, mysteriously escaped the purge. This is the story of secret Operation Yellow Bird, an operation that smuggled out Chinese dissidents whose lives were in danger. For a long time, this operation was wrongly attributed to the CIA. After 26 years' silence, the network's key men have agreed to reveal, for the first time, the real story of Yellow Bird. A story in which France plays a central role, along with some unlikely allies.